Hey guys, Voinski here from Finding Keto Joy, and today I will be showing you what my day is like of a full day eating keto. So here we go. Hey guys, okay, so morning time, I woke up and I had big plans to have bacon and eggs and all that kind of good stuff, and then I just wasn't very hungry. So instead, I just went ahead and brewed some coffee and used my keto cream. I didn't do a bulletproof coffee this morning. I used the keto cream instead because I've been out for a few days and I was just dying to have it. So I did this with my coffee, shook it up really well, and I am gonna be tracking my macros and stuff for you throughout the day. I do track most days, not all days, but today I'm gonna do that for you. So at the end of the day, we can kind of see how everything lines up. So, breakfast for me was just coffee and keto cream today. Okay, so today is also day date day for me and hubby, which means that we go out to lunch after the gym, and we went to a local place. They do burgers, sandwiches, awesome salads, all sorts of great stuff, barbecue type things. And we ended up getting an order of wings, and they're unbreaded. They were smoked and then fried, and they just had buffalo sauce on them with a side of blue cheese. So good. And then we actually shared what they call a yin yang salad, which is a salad with pork belly on it and some strawberries and crumbled blue cheese. And normally it comes with a vinaigrette, but we just asked them to not put the vinaigrette on, and instead we got a side of blue cheese dressing with that. And I'm gonna show you the macros for that. It actually came out pretty good. I think I only had a couple of the wings. We ended up bringing some of them home. So far for my day, I'm very on track. And I've already put dinner in, so I know I'm gonna end the day really well. Okay, so I've had breakfast, I've had lunch. My breakfast again was just the coffee with keto cream. My lunch was pretty on point. I'm just now getting to my raspberry lemonade ketone supplement that I use. It's an exogenous ketone. Normally I have it before the gym, but it kind of just didn't work out that way today. So I'm having that after my lunch. Right now it's already like, I guess 4 o'clock. And I won't even be getting to dinner until later tonight because of just the way that things are working out tonight. So this will definitely hold me over until dinner. Hey guys, okay, so it's dinner time, and what I'm making tonight is bacon wrapped scallops with Brussels sprouts cooked in butter. So I'm gonna roast all of that. So right now I have the oven over here and it's set to 425. It's getting hot. I have the Brussels sprouts that I'm making. What I did first was I took them and I cut them in half, and I put them in a glass casserole dish. You can put them on a roasting pan if you want, but then I sprinkle pink Himalayan salt or garlic powder, and then I put butter. So I think this is almost 4 tablespoons, a little bit less. I'll show you guys over here. And I just kind of spread them out, and when I put it in the oven, the butter will melt, and every now and then I just go in and kind of mix it all around. I am making enough tonight for me and my husband, and then we bought a pound of scallops from our local seafood market, and we're not going to eat the whole pound, at least. That's not the plan, but I am going to make them because my kids also love bacon wrapped scallops. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to cut the bacon probably either in thirds or halves. I'll let you know. It depends kind of sometimes on the size of the bacon and the scallops. I have a toothpick. I'll wrap the bacon around. I also season the scallops with salt and pepper, and then I have a lined aluminum foil pan that I'm going to put the bacon wrapped scallops on, and those will actually bake with the Brussels sprouts for probably about 20 minutes, and then we'll check on it and we'll see how it is. Okay, so I'm about to put these in the oven. You'll see I also added some melted Kerrygold pure Irish butter on top, just a little bit. I melted 2 tablespoons and just kind of drizzled it along the top, and now I'm going to pop them into the oven and we will see them when they come out. Hey guys, okay, so that was a full day of eating keto for me. I think my calories ended up being around 1,200, give or take. I didn't actually eat all the food that was on my plate. I got really, really full from dinner. I think my macros, I have a picture of them for you. My fat was right around 75%. My protein, I think, is at 18 or 19%. And my carbs then were like super low. So I had a great day. I am super full. It's now 8 o'clock. I'm done eating for the day. If I do happen to get an urge, if I'm up late or something, I'll probably just have like a cup of tea, but I actually have to be up early, so I won't be up all night, which then makes you kind of like sometimes get bored. So that won't happen tonight. But that was my day. And so it kind of shows you that even when you have to eat out and when you're on the go and things like that, you can totally eat keto. So whether you're doing strict keto or lazy keto, whatever it is, if you've got questions, I'll put the recipe and the instructions for the baked scallops down in the description of the video. And I'll even link the restaurant where we went, and I'll link where you can also get that keto cream that I had in my coffee. So any questions, drop them and they will be answered. Thanks, guys.